Hello students, welcome to the class 4 subject English. Let's continue Unit 1 The World Around Us. Now we will see Activity 3 The Fading Glory of the Earth. Let's see. Most toxic waste comes from man-made things like mobile sources, for example cars, trucks and buses. Stationary resources, for example factories, refineries, power plants, as well as indoor resources like some building materials and chemicals used for cleaning. Okay students, so this toxic means harmful materials, harmful waste comes from man-made things like mobile resources. Mobile sources means things that move about like cars, trucks and buses. They give out smoke and so it is polluting the air. So students, ये जो टॉक्सिक वेस्ट होते हैं, जहरीले जो पदार्थ होते हैं, केमिकल मटेरियल्स, ये जो मैनमेड थिंग्स है, मीन्स जो इंसान ने सारी जो मशीनरीज बनाई है लाइक कार्स, ट्रक्स एंड बसेस, उनसे ये सारे एयर पोल्यूशंस होते हैं. स्टेशनरी रिसोर्सेज लाइक factories, refineries and power plants, they use chemicals which get added into the land and they are spoiling and polluting the land, and also they are polluting the air. So students, जो स्टेशनरी रिसोर्सेज है लाइक फैक्ट्रीज, रिफाइनरीज एंड पावर प्लांट्स, तो ये सब भी जो अपना केमिकल वेस्ट होता है तो वो सारा वो रिवर्स में या लैंड पे पॉल्यूटेट करते हैं. एज वेल एज इंडोर सोर्सेज, फॉर एग्जांपल सम बिल्डिंग मटेरियल्स एंड chemicals used for cleaning. Whatever waste is that added into the rivers and land and they are polluting. So there are many harmful things that we are also adding into the pollution. So students, जो बिल्डिंग मटेरियल्स है और जो उसके जो क्लीनिंग मटेरियल्स है, तो वो सारे केमिकल्स मटेरियल्स भी हमारे लिए हार्मफुल है जो हम रिवर्स में डालते हैं, जिसकी वजह से वाटर पॉल्यूशन होता है. सो द अमाउंट ऑफ पॉल्यूशन इज इंक्रीजिंग डे बाय डे. सो स्टूडेंट्स, जो एयर पॉल्यूशन, वाटर पॉल्यूशन एंड लैंड पॉल्यूशन जो इंक्रीज हो रहा है, उसकी वजह से जो पॉल्यूशन की मात्रा है वो दिन ब दिन बढ़ती जा रही है. And this has led into the depletion of resources on the earth. और जिसकी वजह से पॉल्यूशन बढ़ने की वजह से जो अर्थ की नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज है वो डिप्लेशन मीन्स डिडक्शन होना, वो धीरे धीरे फिनिश हो रही है. लाइक वाटर जो है, वाटर पॉल्यूशन बढ़ रहा है जिसकी वजह से जो वाटर की जो क्वांटिटी है वो अब कम हो रही है. So students, in other words, we can say that the health of the earth and its life forms do not appear to be too good. So दूसरे शब्दों में हम ये कह सकते हैं जो अर्थ की हेल्थ है वो पॉल्यूशंस बढ़ने की वजह से ख़राब हो रही है और जो उसके ऊपर जो लाइफ फॉर्म्स रहते हैं उनके लिए भी ये गुड नहीं है. Okay students, now let's see. There is a picture of earth. What do we see in this picture? The earth is worried and the earth is coughing and all the black smokes is coming out of its mouth. Why it happened? Because of toxic materials and pollutions in the air, land and water. Okay, now let's move to the next point. Did you know? So here are given some things that we should know. People are exposed to toxic air pollutants in many ways that can pose health risks such as breathing problems due to contaminated air, contaminated food products and drinking water contaminated by toxic waste. So students, first we know the meaning of contaminated means polluted. So the breathing problem due to contaminated air, it happened because of air pollution. Many people, they are suffer from asthma, that is because of the pollution of air. So we are getting affected due to polluted air. Now move to the next, contaminated food products. Because of the polluted air, all the food products that we are getting, they also, the harmful germs are affecting them, and we can get sick eating these contaminated food products. Okay, now move to the next, drinking water contaminated by toxic waste. By any harmful germs, it contaminates and it dirties the water. And when we drink this dirty water, we get sick and we suffer from diarrhea, vomiting, certain disease like that. Now let's see workbook exercises from this activity 3. Let's start. As you can see here, the two paragraphs are given. Let's solve this paragraph and their exercises. Okay students, let's see the paragraph number 4 on page number 6 from workbook. Most toxic waste comes from man-made things like mobile sources, cars, trucks and buses, stationary resources, factories, refineries and power plants, as well as indoor sources, building material and chemicals used for cleaning. Now let's solve the first exercise. Write true or false. The first question is, most toxic waste comes from natural sources. So it is false. So you have to write here false. Now next, cars and factories cause pollution. Yes, it is right. So you have to write here true. Now the next exercise is filling the blank. Most toxic waste comes from blank things. So your answer is man-made things. Now let's continue 5th paragraph. The amount of pollution is increasing day by day, and this has led to depletion of the resources on the earth. In the other words, we can say that the health of the earth and its life forms does not appear to be too good. Now the first exercise of this paragraph, write true or false. The first question is, the amount of pollution is increasing. Yes, the amount of the pollution is increasing day by day. So the sentence is true. So you have to write here true. Now the next one is, the health of the earth is good. So this is wrong. The health of the earth is not good. So you have to write here false. Now the next exercise from this paragraph, write the correct option A, B, C, D, E in the box given. The question is, the amount of blank is increasing day by day. So your answer is B, pollution. The amount of pollution is increasing day by day.